Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix the error and massive stream issue in ChatGPT. This is a common problem and the fix is really simple. Let's get started. Open up your browser. In my case, I'm using Chrome, but this works for most browsers. Inside Chrome, simply tap on this three dot and then select Settings. Now inside Settings, simply tap on Privacy and Security and scroll below, then tap on Third-Party Cookies. Now scroll below again and then tap on See All Site Data and Permissions. Just like that, inside the search bar, simply search for ChatGPT and then tap on Delete Display Data. Just like that, in the search bar, search for OpenAI and then tap on the trash icon. Just like that, tap on Delete. So these stored cache files can cause a messy stream error, so clearing them usually fixes it. Now after you do that, scroll below, then tap on Extensions. Inside here, you need to go ahead and simply turn off all extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers, VPN, or privacy tools. After turning them off, try using ChatGPT again. Check if the error is gone, and if ChatGPT is working now, you are done. If you still have the error, you can try using Opera, Firefox, or Brave. Sometimes Chrome is the issue, not ChatGPT. And that's it. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.